Hello everybody, I want to show you with this video how you can take a screenshot with the Poco C75. For that you will have three ways for. Let me show you the first one. It works with the buttons. So you will need the power button and the volume down button. Press these both buttons just for short together and you're having a screenshot after you can see directly the preview. One more time, the power button and the volume down button just for short together and you're having a screenshot. If you tap now, by the way, on the preview, you have also the chance to edit the screenshot here on the pen. Me to draw something inside or something like this, or what I like is also to crop here. Then you can crop a part of the screenshot, but it's very useful if you want to capture maybe a picture from a website or something like this. After confirming on the checkbox and go on save, and then it will be part of your gallery. And there's a second way to take a screenshot, and for that you need to scroll down here, scroll down a second time, then you have much more icons here, by the way, and one of it is here the scissor icon. Tap here, you screenshot again. But the coolest way to have a screenshot is with 3 fingers. You just need 3 fingers, swipe them across the screen, and you're having a screenshot as well. One more time, take 3 fingers, swipe them across the screen, and you're having a screenshot as well. You have to find the screenshots after, of course, here at the gallery. And yeah, here at the photos, they are mixed up with the photos and videos you have done with your camera. So this is why I recommend to you to always go here at the albums, because the screenshots have your own folder only for your screenshots. Yeah, I hope I could help you with this video and answer your question. And yeah, maybe if you want, you can leave me a nice comment or give me some thumbs up. That would be very helpful for my videos. Thank you so much for. And yeah, I've created also some other videos if you're interested in, with some more tips and tricks and so on. Or you can also subscribe me if you haven't done it before. Thank you so much for your support, and yeah, maybe until next time. Ciao.